Well, some new technology is helping students in Oklahoma maintain a globally competitive edge. As our student reporter Lisa Riley shows us, the Real World Design Challenge has made more than $1 million worth of high-tech software available to Oklahoma classrooms.
At first glance, this may seem like any other classroom. However, inside of Francis Tuttle Technology Center, 11th grade students are learning to use the same software used by companies such as John Deere, Boeing, NASA, and the FAA.
Displacement is equal to velocity average times time.
Instructor Julia Utley explains how important the new software is.
They get an idea for what the shape is, how to manipulate it, visualizing it in their mind as well as on the computer screen. It helps them truly understand, like on a deeper level.
The program is called Pro Engineer, and it's used by over 56,000 major corporations around the world. Thanks to the Real World Design Challenge, this program is being made accessible to these students.
First do their design in CAD, we model it in 3D, and then we send it to a 3D printer, which allows us to identify where errors might have occurred or where just the product needs to be improved. Every software that we use and every training program that we have here at Francis Tuttle is the commercial version of the software. It is not a pared down student tutorial version. It is the commercial version of the software.
Half of that workforce is capable of being replaced at this time.
The challenge is sponsored by the Department of Energy. In an announcement at the state capitol, Lieutenant Governor Jari Askins revealed that Oklahoma is one of the first states to participate in the challenge.
It's a great investment in our future. Each teacher will have available to them approximately $1 million worth in software to help work through these real-world problems.
According to Parametric Technologies, John Stewart, over half of the aerospace and defense industry is 45 years of age or older, and 1/3 is eligible to retire today.
The world needs scientists, technologists, engineers, and mathematicians. So there's a lack of them in the pipeline right now in the U.S. education system. Oklahoma's always been on the forefront of science, technology, engineering, and math, and this is an opportunity for the students to be on the forefront of competing for jobs.
If we infuse real-world experience in the classroom, we can cut a decade off the pipeline. And that's significant education.
Dr. Ralph Coppola is PTC's Director of Worldwide Education.
There are many companies that say for large companies like Lockheed and Boeing, they can hire all the engineers produced by the United States and still not have enough. And so there are many other companies and government agencies that need these people as well. So we need to solve that problem.
So the Department of Energy has teamed up with the FAA, Parametric Technology, Hewlett-Packard, and Flowmetrics Incorporated to donate over $5 million worth of software to schools across Oklahoma, giving younger kids a chance to prepare themselves for some much-needed jobs.
The younger you can reach that generation and get them excited about math and about science and that it's cool, then they're going to want to go into that industry.
I think it's going to teach you that, you know, when you go into engineering school, you got to know how to work hard. You got to know how to do tough homework and get it done.
I think that it showed me that this is something I really am interested in and plan to go further in.
And by preparing students today, the state of Oklahoma, along with the Department of Energy, is also investing in the economy, proving that the Real World Design Challenge holds up to its name by preparing students for the real world.